tired of Stripe being a roadblock to accessing your hard-earned Whop profits? Let's unlock some alternative withdrawal methods that bypass Stripe entirely. First, log into your Whop account and navigate to your wallet or payout section. This is where you'll manage your withdrawals. A location may slightly differ depending on Whop's layout updates, but it's usually found under account settings. Now, instead of Stripe, look for alternative payment options. Whop often supports PayPal, direct bank transfers, or even cryptocurrency withdrawals. Check which options are available to you based on your location and account standing. If PayPal is available, select it, and you'll be prompted to link your PayPal account. This usually involves logging into your PayPal and granting Whop the necessary permissions. Make sure the email address matches your Whop account for seamless transfers. For bank transfers, you'll need to provide your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and any other required information. Double-check that every digit is correct to avoid delays or failed transfers. If you prefer cryptocurrency, select your preferred coin, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and carefully enter your wallet address. Always verify the address to prevent irreversible losses. Before finalizing, review the withdrawal amount, the chosen method, and any associated fees. Each method may have different processing times and fee structures, so be sure to understand them beforehand. Once you are confident, confirm your withdrawal request. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Whop without using Stripe. Remember to check your chosen payment method for the funds to arrive and keep an eye on your Whop transaction history for updates.